people, not be smart, my people. Make una carry una jokote sit down, come listen to this one. Even me when they talk, I was shocked. So I don't know whether this one it dey happen. Yes, whether this one it dey possible. This video that you are about to watch, my people, not be smart. This lady so na goddess of water. She thought say as she dey live on this earth, say she na normal woman being. Say if she sleep, she go turn to fish. Say anytime when she take delete, say she go back to where she belong. She go back to inside where e for come. Say that time, say na fish. Say another word still there. My people not be smart, as I cross this one, I don't know whether this one it go dey possible. When I understand me, I not come too much understand this one honestly. And it also say anytime when she take sleep, say she dey change as she dey on this earth, she just dey move freely. Say she na normal woman being. Anytime when she take lie down sleep, say she not be she go change to fish. My people, I don't know whether this one is dey possible, whether it dey exist or if it dey exist, it dey possible. Make una leave am on the comment section. My for no, not be smart. May not come be say I too talk. Make una watch.
She's gone global right now. Can't see vibes in 5. She is the woman who happens to be a marine spirit, who is married to a marine husband, and who has marine kids with names Orie, Ofor, and Unkwo. And Nigerians do not understand why a Ghanaian marine spirit will marry a Nigerian marine husband. It's like cross-country business you are doing. And the video has been all over the place up to today. The goddess of water decided that, look, there's something more she has to say, because after we released that interview, a lot of comments came and there were certain pertinent questions I'm going to be asking her for clarification. Some people believe that if truly you're a marine spirit, there is no way you can publicly declare it, to even saying it on camera. One, you will never declare it, and you will not even sit on camera to proudly say, I am a marine spirit and I come from the sea. Is it true that marine spirits do not talk about it publicly? Now you are in human form. Would you remain in human form till you die, or there will be a time you would go back to the marine spirit form and get back into the sea?
Except that is when I maybe when I'm late, that is when I can go back to the marine spirit and do whatever I want, change anywhere I am. But right now I am still living under this earth. I don't change into anything except I go to bed and sleep and go to my family. That is where I can change. But when I come out physically, I am just woman.
So whenever you go to bed and you sleep,
yes,
you change and go to your sea family.
Yes, the spirit being lives and goes to the spiritual realm. Then I can change to anything I want.
What usually do you change to?
Okay, I change to fish.
Okay.
Yes, normally fish, any kind of one I want.
Any kind of fish.
Yes.
Usually when you sleep and you are going to the sea,
yes,
you change into a fish.
Yes, I change into a fish. I change into a snake, because yes, the water goddess also changed. Normally people know that she also changed into a snake.
Right.
Half will be snake and the other ones will be
human.
Yes.
So that same thing that happens to you.
Yes.
Half of you becomes a snake and the other half is human.
Yes.
Half of you becomes a fish and the other half is human.
Yes.
Is it your down that becomes the animal, or the top that becomes
no,
the
animal? Down.
The down becomes
Yes.
animal.
This doesn't happen all the time, except I wish. Except I wish. Sometimes you want to have fun, except I wish. Or you are in the midst of a meeting. We don't normally come physically then you can change to your form, any form you want.
Are you by this saying that truly Mami Water spirits exist and you are one of the higher ranks of Mami Water?
Yes, Mami Water spirit exists so much. And when you are anybody out there watching, when you think you are from the water, please come to me. I will explain better to you. It's a very big opportunity for you to be a mermaid, or for you to be from the water. It's a very good thing, and your life will be changed.
Do you go to the bank? Do you always have money on you that nobody knows where the money is coming from?
I always have money on me all the time.
Where does that money come from?
It comes from my mother.
So
from the Queen Mother. I have power to do anything I want. So I don't lack.
You don't lack.
No. And eating banana, yes, you'll be eating fruit. But one thing we don't eat, as far as we don't eat fish.
You don't eat fish.
No, you cannot eat, because fish is you.
You are fish.
You
don't
eat anything fish.
You don't eat
anything at all. You don't eat. Yes.
Majority of you are women. The men are few, or I'm getting it wrong.
The men are not few, but the men don't normally come out. They are the people that take care of the sea. So the men don't normally come out.
They don't come out.
Yes, but why women are majority? Because women are easy to get. Yes, women, they have soft hearts, they have good hearts. Why men, some of them has evil thoughts in their mind. So that is why men are few. Women are majority.
Women are majority.
Yeah.
A final question before you tell me about some of the things you have here. Why is sex a major tool for spiritual people, especially Marines like you? Why is sex a major tool of distraction for you? Majority of Marines that are sent on mission to destroy men or destroy people, they do so through sexual encounter. Why? Why is it so?
It is so because sex has come to ruin this world. Yes, some of the men today, they don't control their self. They can use sex to get them some people that are greedy. When you are greedy in your life, you think you can get anything. You can use any woman at any time. They are greedy enough. That is why it is men. That is the main thing. The Marines, the bad ones, use to catch them at any time they want. They know when they open it for them, they will enter. They think some of them will say, "Let me just do whatever I want to do with this one and go." But then know that they are putting their life into danger. You can't just see any woman out there and think you can ruin their life. And think you can just sleep with her and dump her that way. It is not done. Because you yourself, when you are having sex with someone, you're connecting yourself. Sex is like connecting yourself. You're having a covenant with that person. Yes, sex is a covenant.
It's a covenant.
So people don't know. You and the person are having a covenant. So if you are having a bad covenant about me, and me, I'm giving you a good thought, what will you think it will happen? Me, I already know whatever you're doing in life will not progress if you are having a bad thought towards me.
I see. So your queen and king select the beautiful women and push them out into the world on a bad mission through using sex. Because once the lady is beautiful, fair skin, sweet, men will easily fall for them.
They will
and
easily
majority
fall.
of them become prostitutes.
Why they did that? Because men in the world today has been ruling so many of their life. Some of them, when they come to the world, they deceive them not to go back.
Oh, some men are able to deceive these marine spirits not to go back.
Some will come and fall in love
and stay
back. They are deceived, and the queen will become angry because I sent it to a mission.
Yeah.
To do something, and you went there and fall in love. That is not what I asked you to do. Some of them go to other spiritual people to do work on their head for them to, and that is why we use sex to hold them. Some of them, not all.
Not all of them.
Not all.
So when the queen gets angry because someone came and fell in love, what does she do? What punishment does the queen met out to such?
You experience financial crisis. Things will not be going. You will not find life easy. Sometimes you start behaving like a madman. You start behaving as if things, you will know that things, really, if someone see you, will know that things, sometimes you will not be normal. Your sense will be coming in and it will be going out. You will be as if you're normal today, tomorrow you are not normal.
On a mission?
No, I'm not on a mission. I'm only here to save people, to do my work, to serve them.
But were you sent to come and save people like you're saying?
Yes, I was born to do this.
You were born to do this?
Yes.
What is your rank in the marine spirit?
Oh, my rank, I am the wife of the king.
You are the wife of the king?
Yes.
So does that make you part of the highest ranking marine spirits?
I won't say I am part of the highest. Yes, I am in a higher level, but I am not one of the highest.
You are not one of the highest?
Yes, because we have levels by levels. My level is high, but not the highest
of the levels.
Yes, the highest of all is the Queen Mother, Queen Mama Terra. That is her name.
That's her name. That's the Queen Mother's name.
Yes.
But you are not the Queen Mother.
No, I'm not the Queen Mother.
But you are the wife to the king.
Yes.
So is it the Queen Mother that sent you to earth to do what you are doing?
Yes.
So you are on a mission?
It's not that I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission. I am here to save the world, to save people. I am here to do things, to do miracles, to save people from bondages. But that doesn't mean when you say you're in a mission, maybe you have come to, some people, they came out to the world to kill. Some people, they came to take destinies. That is not what I'm here for.
But your mission could be good,
yes,
or bad.
Yes.
But it's still a mission.
Yes.
So yours, is it a good mission?
My own is a good mission. I am only here to save people, to help people who are in need, to save the world.
Are there marine spirits who do good?
Yes, there are many of them do good. I'm a marine spirit and I do good. Many of them are here to do good to people. Why some of them are the bad type? Yes, because we have two categories. We have the good ones and the bad ones.
Men of God say you are a lost soul and you need deliverance. You need to be, saved. You need redemption. That's what majority of the men of God who have watched your video are saying. What would you say to that?
Well, they can think whatever they want, but for me, I am not a lost soul. I am happy the way I am. And being a marine, like I said, being a marine does not mean that you're doing the wrong thing. Being a marine spirit, you are a woman, you do everything. We have someone that is above all. Yes, we know. We all know that. We do take power. Without him, we cannot do anything. So I'm not a lost soul.
You are not a lost soul. You don't consider yourself. You're a marine spirit, but you don't consider yourself a lost soul.
No, I am happy the way I am. You know, this life is your decision. What you decide to do. This is my life, and no one can tell me how to live my life. And I'm happy the way I am.
You are happy.
I am so much happy the way I am.
That you can turn to other animals and you can turn.
It's like I have freedom to do anything, to experience. Some of them are even thinking of how to experience what I am experiencing. Some people call me that they want to join. I should show them, because it's not about being a pastor and you say you want to be a pastor. You're telling me that I'm a lost soul. Why you're coming to me and you're crying for help? So how am I a lost soul? When you come to me for help and I help you, and my work exactly the way I give it to you. So am I a lost soul?
Are you by this saying that truly, Mami Water spirits exist and you are one of the higher ranks of Mami Water?
Yes, Mami Water spirit exists so much. And when you are anybody out there watching, when you think you are from the water, please come to me. I will explain better to you. It's a very big opportunity for you to be a mermaid or for you to be from the water. It's a very good thing, and your life will be changed. Some of them don't know. That is why they feel disappointment. When you are a mermaid, you see feeling disappointment in men. You'll not be having luck in men. You'll be having financial crisis, especially when you're not connected to them. When you are from the water and you're not connected to them, you'll be having problems with your life. Some people, when they are from the water, doesn't mean that you come and serve them. Some people just want you to please them, and they will leave you. They will give you wealth. Whatever you wish will come to you. You have prosperity. What do you want that you will not have?
When you are from the water,
yes. What do you
have
want?
Opportunity to have anything.
Opportunity to have anything. You have favor. Let me say, I will say we are one of the great power in the world. Yes, after the James, you can say we are one of the water rules the world. If you see water cover everywhere. Yeah. Yes, we are one of the people that have power in this world. Yes.
What higher power do you bow to?
The highest power we bow to? For me, I bow to my queen.
You bow to your queen?
Yes.
She is the highest of your power.
Yes.
Not even your king?
No. I do bow to him as my husband. But the highest of all is the queen of the water.
Is the queen of the water?
Yes.
She is the queen mermaid.
Yes.
Do you bow to God?
Well, I also bow to him and ask before, like I said before, there's a power higher than us, and which is God in heaven. He's the one that created. Before we came out of this world, God already know, and he gave us this. He made us this way. He differentiated it into different parts. It's based on you to choose what to serve. But that doesn't mean that we don't believe in him also. Before we give you something, he gives us before we give you.
Right.
Yes.
It is God who gives you whatever you give us.
Whatever I give out, it is God who gives it to me. I don't just give out things, so I will bring something and give you. No, it doesn't work that way. I must ask before I give you. Like before Satan does anything, he goes to take permission from God. Yes. That is how it is.
It's the same with you
too. It is
the
same way.
What are these stones for?
Okay, these are stones I use in doing incantation, and I can use these stones to see into your life. When I ask you some of them, I ask them to pick stones from their houses and come.
They should bring stones.
Yes,
I will bring stones.
Yes, these stones I use it to see their life, what has happened in their past. Because when they pick it from their hometown or from their house and come, I can see whatever has happened into their life for many years ago. I can tell them back in their histories what has
back
yes
to their histories.
With these stones I can retrieve and see what their forefathers has done and tell them their problems.
Their problems.
Yes.
And then incense, I see some bottles. I mean, put them all together and just give me a brief explanation.
Okay, this is a marine oil, this is a chameleon oil, and this is danduanla oil. All right.
Right.
These oils are oils we use in performing some miracles. For this danduanla oil and marine oil, it's for people that want the pastors are there. And we also give them a ring. We also give, when you come to me, I give you a ring.
So not every ring is an ordinary ring. Huh?
No. Not all of them is an ordinary ring.
Please go ahead.
Yes, so I give them rings for their spiritual work. And I also use some items to use and do their work for them. Like the spiritual oil, we use it to cleanse them, to wash their eyes, for them to see visions, for them to do miracles. They are also involved on people that they want pregnancy also, because it goes, people that want pregnancy, we also give them this oil for them to use, and the water also.
That's what you do. All right. Are you anywhere around, or you stay very far?
No, I stay in Ghana.
In Ghana?
Yes.
So you could be located here in Ghana?
Northern part of Ghana.
Northern part of Ghana?
Yes, Tamale.
That's where you are. But because of your marine spirit, you can appear anywhere?
That is, I can't just appear anywhere except I wish.
Except you wish?
Yes.
Okay. But
I don't travel.
You don't
I don't travel. I only go once in a while because I stay in one place. So I don't go anywhere. Once in a while, that is where I travel.
That's when you
Except I have somewhere to go urgently. That is where I can do all those things. But normally to me, I don't use it.
If I ask you to do something very bold for me, I'm hoping you'll be able to do it. You see, the men of God who watch this program want to show you powers. They want to show you where power lies. And they would like to pray for you to see if you'll be delivered. Will you be bold enough to put out a number so that any man of God who thinks he is strong enough to pray to deliver me can call you? Or someone who also wants to know more about what happens in that marine spirit world. You know, we have a lot of curious people. Can also call you for explanation.
Yes.
You will do it?
Yes, I will. Because I'm not scared of anything. My work is genuine. So I am not scared of what you are coming to say. So I am free. I'm open to people. I'm open here to solve your problems, whether in business, growth, love, spare, whatever you want. If you want to throw questions on me, come to me. I will answer you with happy mood.
What is the number?
My number is 026 7649 644. 026 7649 644.